Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss about detoxification and biotransformation of xenobiotics. What is xenobiotic? A xenobiotic is a compound that is foreign to the body. In Greek, xeno means stranger. Xenobiotics can produce a variety of biological effects including pharmacological responses, toxicity, immunological responses, cancers, etc. A xenobiotic can be exogenous or endogenous. Exogenous xenobiotic, the foreign molecules which are not normally ingested or utilized by the organism, but they gain entry through dietary foodstuffs or in the form of certain medicines used for a therapeutic causes or are inhaled through environment. Important examples of exogenous xenobiotic is drugs, food additives, pollutants, insecticides, chemical carcinogens, etc. Endogenous xenobiotics. They are not foreign substances but they have effects similar to exogenous xenobiotics. These are synthesized in the body or are produced as metabolite of various processes in the body. Example of endogenous xenobiotic is bilirubin, bile acid, steroids, ecosanoids, and certain fatty acids. Metabolism of xenobiotics. Metabolism of xenobiotics occur in two phases: phase 1 reaction, phase 2 reaction, and in sometimes phase 3 reaction also. Phase 1 reaction. The major reaction involved is hydroxylation. In addition to hydroxylation, a wide range of reactions also take place including deamination, dehalogenation, desulfuration, epoxidation, peroxygenation, and reduction. In phase 2 reaction, the hydroxylated or other compounds produced in phase 1 are converted to specific enzymes to various polar metabolites by conjugation with glucuronic acid, sulfate, acetate, glutathione, or certain amino acids, or by methylation. What is biotransformation or detoxification reactions? All the biochemical reactions involved in the conversion of foreign, toxic, and water insoluble molecules to non-toxic, water-soluble, and excretable forms are called detoxification or biotransformation reactions. The overall purpose of the two phases of metabolism of xenobiotics is to increase their water solubility and thus excretion from the body. In certain situations, these reactions may instead increase the toxicity of foreign compound. Then these reactions are called intoxication reaction. What is the purposes and what is the consequences of biotransformation reactions? The purposes of biotransformation reactions is convert lipophilic to hydrophilic compounds and facilitate excretion, and the consequences is change in solubility characteristic, detoxification, and metabolic activation of xenobiotic. Cytochrome P450 enzyme system. The cytochrome P450 enzymes are involved in the biotransformation reactions. They are heme-containing enzymes localized in the endoplasmic reticulum of liver. They are so named because they absorb light at wavelength of 450 nanometer when exposed to carbon monoxide. They are monooxygenases. NADPH. NADPH is the coenzyme for all the P450 enzymes. Electrons are transferred from NADPH to cytochrome P450. This leads to reductive activation of molecular oxygen. One atom of oxygen is inserted into the substrate. Cytochrome P450 contains phosphatidylcholine. Almost all common drugs are metabolized by the P450 system. There are about 150 isoforms of the P450 enzymes. They are classified according to structural homology into family, subfamily, etc. CYP. CYP is the accepted abbreviations of cytochrome P450 enzyme system. For example, CYP1A1 denotes that it is cytochrome P450 belonging to family 1 and subfamily A. It is the first member in that subfamily. The genes of the corresponding proteins are described with the same name except that genes are written with italics. Now phase 1 reaction. Phase 1 reactions include oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis reactions. They are called hydroxylation reactions since they introduce or expose a functional group that serves as the active center for sequential conjugation in the phase 2 reaction. Now oxidation. A large number of foreign substances are destroyed by oxidation in the body. Oxidation of methyl group containing compounds. Methyl group is oxidized to acid through formation of alcohol and aldehyde. Oxidation of alcohols. Primary aliphatic and aromatic alcohols are oxidized to corresponding acids. Methanol is oxidized into formaldehyde and formaldehyde oxidized into formic acid, and in the same way ethanol is oxidized into acetaldehyde and acetaldehyde into acetic acid, and benzoyl alcohol is benzaldehyde and then benzoic acid. Methanol toxicity. Methanol has a relatively low toxicity. Methanol is metabolized in the liver. In the first step of degradation, methanol is transferred to formaldehyde via the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase. Transformation of formaldehyde to formic acid via the enzyme aldehyde dehydrogenase, which is faster. The metabolism of formic acid is very slow. Thus, it often accumulates in the body, which results in metabolic acidosis. The major damages occur to the optic nerve, and ethanol is given as an antidote since it is the true substrate of alcohol dehydrogenase. Methanol is first oxidized into formaldehyde by alcohol dehydrogenase, then formic acid by formaldehyde dehydrogenase, and finally into carbon dioxide and water. And formic acid is more damaging to the methanol in comparison to methanol, so it is an example of intoxication reaction. Oxidation of aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons are oxidized to phenolic compounds, which can further be conjugated with glucuronic acid or sulfuric acid in phase 2 reactions so as to be excreted through urine. In this reaction, benzene is converted into phenol by oxidation. Oxidation of aldehydes. Aldehydes are oxidized to corresponding acid. Acid thus formed is further conjugated in phase 2 reaction. Benzoic acid is conjugated with glycine to form hippuric acid. This reaction exclusively takes place in liver. Hippuric acid excretion test is undertaken to determine the detoxification functions of the liver. So, hippuric acid excretion test is one of the liver function test. Oxidation of anilides. Anilides are oxidized to corresponding phenols. Example, acetanilide. Acetanilide is a constituent of analgesic drug. It is oxidized in the body to form p-acetyl aminophenol. Oxidation of amines. Many primary aliphatic amines undergo oxidation to form the corresponding acids, and nitrogen is converted to urea. Benzyl